Hello and welcome to the N-Star training session to lock an examination. The provision is available to lock a particular examination for a specific class section so that no more data entry or updations can be carried out in the exam by any user. Once an exam is locked, it can be unlocked only using a password. So let us first see the steps to lock an exam. Click on button M star and select Module Examination. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you're now working in the exam module. Now click on the button Activities and select the screen Exam Result Locking. When the screen opens, select the academic year, select session in which the exam is available. There is an option to select all sessions, and in that way it can list all the exams of the school. So we are selecting a specific session for now. Select class section. The list of all the class sections as per the session selected will appear in the box class section. The all option is also available to select all the class sections at one go. For now, we are selecting a specific class section only. After this, click on the box next to the exam and it will display the list of all the exams which have been scheduled for the selected class section. Only the scheduled exams will appear. You can select all exams at one go, by which the grid below will show all the exams along with the current status of locking. In case you want to select a specific exam only, you can select the name of the exam and only single exam will get displayed in the grid below. For now, we want to only lock single exam, so we have selected one exam Essay 1. The grid shows the following columns: session name, the selected session, class section is the selected class section, exam name is the selected exam which is going to get locked, the status is the current status of locking. If the status is N, it means that the exam which is being displayed is not locked. The next column is the lock column, and this is where we will select to lock the exam. So to lock the exam selected, double click on the box below the lock heading and the Y status appears, which means that the exam is going to get locked now. After making the status as Y, click on the Save button. Remember, once an exam is locked, it will be locked for updations or any data entry by any user unless the unlocking code is entered. Click on button Save and the confirmation message appears that the exam has been locked successfully. Click OK on the confirmation message. Click on the Clear button and reselect the exam to see the locking status. So select the academic year, select the session and the class section for which we selected the exam. Then select all option or the selected exam to see the status. Now that we have selected all options, it is showing us the status as Y for Essay 1, which means that this exam is currently locked. For other exams, the status is still N, which means that these exams are not yet locked. Now let us see the impact of locking these exams. Now selecting the exam result screen, click on the activities and select the exam result screen. As the screen opens, select the academic year, session, class and section and select the exam which was locked by us. As you select the exam name, the message appears that the exam has been locked for modifications, hence no modifications can be done in the exam result. Click OK on the same. Now you can still select the activity and it will display the result as entered for the exam. But you will not be able to make any updates because the exam is locked. Let us see the other exams which were not locked. Click on the exam name and select another exam. When you select the exam, the message of locking does not appear. You can click on the activity and still make the updates as desired. Click on the clear button to clear the screen, and these were the steps for locking the exam and seeing the impact of locking. One of the key points to remember in this screen is that even if one result entry against one student or activity is done in the exam result screen, the exam will be available for locking. If no result has been entered in exam result, the exam list in this screen will not show the exam name. So, this screen will show the name of only those exams against which even a single result entry has been done, and other exams will not appear. Once the exam is locked, the data updation or modification cannot be done by any user unless the unlocking code is entered. Repeat these steps to select other class sections and examinations for locking. Thank you for watching this video.